Hi, I'm Janine.
And I'm Alan. Today we're going to be looking at PPE for construction sites. And I'm not just talking those huge construction sites, I'm talking about the small scale too. So whether you're adding a granny flat or garage to your home, or simply building a brick braai.
I'm really looking forward to getting my hands dirty, so let's get started.
To keep us protected on site, we'll need to wear these protective big flame and acid-resistant Conti suits available at builders. They have durable brass YKK zippers, and in addition to being acid-resistant, they are fuel, oil and flame-resistant for extra on-the-job protection.
Then we need good quality socks and welding safety boots, and a leather apron which protects the body against welding, shot blasting and grinding operations.
It's also a good idea to wear a welding cloth skull cap to protect your head.
We may also need some disposable earplugs. And then finally we need dust masks to protect us from the fumes, protection goggles or helmet for our eyes, and of course gloves.
Builders stock every God TIG welding gloves for dry environments. They provide protection against splatter and heat of up to 100 degrees Celsius, keeping your hands safe when welding.
We're going to be repairing a geyser, but before we do, Janine and I need to put on the right PPE for the job.
Yes, Alan, I had no idea plumbers need so much PPE. Now that we're properly kitted out, it's time to get to work.
Builders stock anti-slip gumboots for wet conditions, but for today we need these anti-slip, water-resistant, steel-toed safety boots.
The first line of defense for a plumber is a pair of nitrile rubber gloves, which you can get at Builders. They keep your hands dry and protect them from nicks and cuts while you're cleaning drains, waste pipes or traps and other messy jobs. For dry working conditions, Builders can help with well-fitting, dipped latex gloves which will protect your hands from cuts, heat and abrasions. We will need goggles to protect our eyes from steam or spray, and a hard hat because we're working on site.
Builders stock an extensive range of PPE for painters, from respiratory masks to protect you from gases and vapors when spray painting and filter cartridges, to the type of PPE we'll be wearing for painting outdoors today.
First, we need to put on these painter's overalls, which are specifically designed to protect your skin from paint which can cause skin irritation.
Next, we need good socks because we'll be on our feet all day, and then these work boots.
I'm also adding these anti-glare glasses because we'll be painting outdoors.
From respirators and cartridges for industrial use to solvent-resistant gloves for handling paint thinner and other solvents, Builders can help with your PPE needs. Builders also stock safety harnesses for working at heights and can help with the correct PPE for your feet, no matter what the job.
We're going to be mixing mortar today, and I have a feeling we're going to be grateful we have the right PPE for the job.
Absolutely, Alan. It looks like it's going to be dusty.
Builders stock everything from sun and hard hats to reflective gear and gloves for use on busy industrial sites. For today though, we're going to need Conti suits first. Next, we need good socks because we'll be on our feet all day, and then these work boots. They've got steel capped toes and thick rubber soles to protect your feet from building debris.
There's a lot of fine dust when mixing mortar, so we'll be wearing dust masks, protective eyewear and gloves. The right gloves are critical because they protect your hands when you're working with cement. Cement and wet concrete can burn your skin, but Builders can help with the right water repellent gloves for your fine powder mixing needs.
We got all the PPE we need to be safe on site.
We're going to be installing a light switch in one of the rooms, but before we do that, we need to put on the right PPE.
We need to start with some long pants and long-sleeved protective cotton clothing. Next, we need rubber-soled shoes.
We may also need some disposable earplugs, goggles to protect our eyes, leather and rubber gloves, and of course, hard hats.
We've got the PPE on and we're ready to work. Let's do this.
I'm wearing one of the more formal long sleeve shirts available for foremen and frontline workers, and these comfortable denim work pants.
The Beck range of cotton shirts and cargo trousers are perfect for site visits and tough enough for me to get my hands dirty without worrying about ruining my clothes when I'm working on projects at home.
When you're working, whether it's commercial or DIY projects, you're on your feet a lot and want to be comfortable.
The secret to staying on your feet all day is a good quality pair of socks like these super absorbent Vata socks from Builders.
These comfortable steel toe cap slip-ons from Safari are made of genuine leather and high quality fabrics. Whether you're adding a room to your home or running a big construction site, Builders has all the PPE you need. Simply visit Builders or shop online.
We hope you've enjoyed this insert of Here's to Talking All Things PPE with Builders. Thanks for watching.
Get to Builders.
Get it done.